To use live intraday scanner in real-time market. So if I see the current time, it's 2:35 p.m. 3rd of June. So let's click on this live intraday scanner. So on this first column, we have name. Here you can search any stock you want. Say I want to search for Reliance. I have searched Reliance here. If you want to see the charts directly, you can directly click on this chart and it will open. So you can see this is the chart of Reliance today. Similarly, now I want to see which are the gap up or gap down. So you can just type gap up here. All the stocks with gap up will be listed here. Similarly, if I type gap down here, there are two stocks in Nifty Future today which were gap down. So if I click on this chart, there was Britannia which was open gap down here, and if I open HDFC, this was also open gap down today. Similarly, you can also search for within yesterday value. So you know which stock has opened within yesterday value compared to the previous day. So if I click on ACC, so you can see opening has been within yesterday value area of ACC. So this was the value area of yesterday and ACC has opened within that particular area. Similarly, you can search for above yesterday value area high, or you can search for below yesterday value area low. Now in the open drive, you can search for which stock have given you open drive, whether it's a test drive downwards, it's a test drive upwards, or it's just a open drive or open drive downwards. So if I search for open drive here, so I can see all the stocks which have either open drive upwards or downwards. I have those things. If I search for upwards, I will just click UP. I have typed UP and now I can see there were four stocks which were open drive upwards here: Britannia, HDFC, IBUL and Reliance. If I click on Reliance, so you can see we have open drive upwards. Similarly, you can search for open drive downwards or test. If I write test here, so all these stocks which were open test drive downwards or upwards, I have the list here. The third column tells us what was the tail here, whether there was buying tail or selling tail. So the value which is undefined, that means no tail has been formed. Similarly, for the open drive, no tail has been no open drive has been formed for this. So undefined means there was no formation of it. So if I click on selling tail here, so these were the stocks which have the selling tail. All these stocks are listed, and if I have want to see for the buying tail, I have these stocks which had the buying tail. So if I click on the say INFI, so you can say I have this blind buying tail which is coming from 1530 to 1518. Now another is single print. So single prints means breakout, like there's a single print TPO if you are aware of the market profile concept. So if I type the single print here, so I can know, okay, single print downside, upside, all these stocks are listed again. So you don't have to manually search these stocks here. So if I want to see, okay, single print downside B, so in B period, Ambuja Cement has maintained the single print downside and it should be still be moving downwards. So you can see this is a single print downside in the B period and the stock is moving in the downwards direction. So here again you can search for all these things. Also you can sort the columns. Yeah, like here you can say fail to go down, fail to go high, then single print. Similarly, you can sort the columns from here also. So here also you can see in single print we have two more values: fail to go high and fail to go up. So fail to go high means in the B period market try to go, and I can first I will stop the auto refresh so that it does not refresh the thing. So if I type here fail to go high, so you can see fail to go high in J period. So if I click on Dr. Reddy, so you can see in J period it tried to go up there but it failed because there is a tails type of single tail is there and it came down. So similarly, if I see fail to go high in, fail to go down in, like currently you are seeing the market and you want to see which stock has taken support. So if I click on the Ultra Cement, I can say in J period it has taken the support, or Bosch in K period and Bell in I period. So if I click on Ultra Cement, so you can see in J period it has taken the support and it's trying to move upward. So you don't have to again manually scan these stocks. You can just type and get the information. This is the latest time at which these data has been generated. Now this is a day type. Depending upon various situation, we have day type, whether it's a normal day, trend day, or normal variation day. So if I search here say trend day, So you can see these are the trend day downwards. Similarly, if I say trend day upwards, up, so there hasn't been any trend day upwards so far. So it's all are trended downwards for now. And then this current TPO, this is a very interesting and very important column. Here you can directly visualize, okay, what type of, where the market would be. Like if you want to search for the stock which is near the value area low, so I'll just type the low here. So you can see these are the stocks which are the near value area low. So if you want to buy any stock near value area low, you can buy here. Similarly, you have TPO which are breaking out. So I can see Atul has 5 single TPO below days low. So if I click on it, Atul, so you can see K5 TPO has been downwards here. Similarly, if I want to search for the above, like I want to see which TPO has breaking out above. So Petronet, 4 single TPO above days high. So if I click on this chart, you can see it is breaking out. So you know directly now, okay, which stocks are breaking out or breaking down. Similarly, you can search for anything above value area high, value area low, anything you can search here. You can see the value, whether it's inside value area and so on. This is the price of the future stock currently, and this is the percentage change. So you can again sort it and you can see, okay, Ramo Cement has fallen the most today. And similarly, Ibol Housing Financial has gained the most today in terms of percentage. So now you can also combine various things. Like if I want to search for, okay, which stock has given me say selling tail. First clear it all, okay, and I'll resume auto fresh and also resume this page so that my latest data is there. So I want to search for, okay, which tail I want to search for, selling tail. Okay, now I want the selling tail and I want to see which stock has, or say buying tail. Let's search for buying tail, and I want to see which is near the low. So I would say, okay, this is below value area or low. So I have this buying tail and I know these stocks are near value area or below value area low. So I want to take a buy call and I want to see which stock has retraced. So these are the gap up. I click on Infi. So Infi has a gap up and it is near 1536. So if I buy 1536, I can keep the stop loss below open and I can see whether it is going up or not. So using these, you can combine whatever you can think of, like you have combined the buying tail here with low. You can combine the, okay, gap down here. Say if I say gap down here, so you have one stock, you know which stock has gap down but it has a buying tail and it is a near value area low. So that means the stock would be forming like this and above, means from it has opened gap down and then it would have been rising, and now it is near the value area low. So now you can see HDFC here. See, it has gap down, it is going up, and it is near value area low. So again, if you want to buy, you can buy the HDFC right now and you can have a stop loss just below 2290. So you don't have to do anything manually. All thing you can just visualize the market and search for it. So this is a very very powerful tool, and if you are able to use it, there is nothing else better than this uh, for using intraday trading or short term trading, or even for the say weekly or monthly trading. So if I clear, like if I clear this, you can also see the previous day data also. Like if I click on the uh, previous here, so we will get the data of previous day, 1st June, 31st June, 30th, 27. So like this also you can see, okay, on 27th, which was the stock change, 11.16% was Torrent Pharma. Now I want to see, it has rose to 11.616%. Now let's see what it is doing. I click on this chart, so you can see currently it is in a consolidation period. On 27th May it rose, but now it is in a consolidation period. So this is a very powerful tool. For any question, just comment below on this video. If you want me to again explain you in detail, or anything you have not understood, anything you want me to provide you detail how to use this live intraday scanner, and just visit the website and you will find it very useful. Thanks a lot. Bye.